Good morning, dear students. Welcome to PNMRC e-learning classes. Chapter number 16, Garbage in, Garbage out. Introduction. What is garbage? Garbage is an unwanted or undesired material or substance. It is also referred to as rubbish, trash, or junk. Common rubbish in a bin bag, a dumpster full of waste awaiting disposal. We throw out so much rubbish or garbage every day from our homes, schools, shops, and offices. The grains, pulses, biscuits, milk, or oil purchased in shops are packed in plastic bags or tins. All these wrapping materials go out as garbage. We sometimes buy things that are rarely used and often throw into the garbage. We generate so much garbage in our day to day activities. We often throw groundnut shells on public places, in buses or trains after eating the nuts. We throw away the ticket when we get off a bus. A child might go on sharpening pencils just for fun. If we make mistakes or spill ink on our notebook, we tear off the sheet and throw it away. And we also throw away many domestic waste such as broken toys, old clothes, shoes, and sleepers. What if the garbage is not removed from our homes and surroundings? How do you think this will harm us? When Safai Karmcharis take the garbage from the bins, where does the garbage goes and what happens to it? It is possible for all of this garbage to be changed into something that will not harm us. Can we contribute towards this in any way? We will look for answers to these questions in this chapter. A step towards cleanliness. The Prime Minister of India launched the Swachh Bharat mission. The aim of this mission is to create an open, defecation free India by 2nd October 2019. Children from Paheli and Bhujo's school did a project called Dealing with Garbage. We will learn about some of the things they learned through this project. How do we deal with garbage? Safai Karmacharis collect the garbage in trucks and take it to a low-lying open area called a landfill. There, the part of the garbage that can be reused is separated out from the one that cannot be used as such. Thus, the garbage has both useful and non-useful components. The garbage at the landfill is separated as useful component and non-useful component. Useful component. The part of the garbage that can be reused is the useful component. This component is then treated by different processes to make it non-toxic. Non-useful component. The part of the garbage that cannot be used is the non-useful component, which is then separated and sprayed over the landfill and covered with a layer of soil. Once the landfill is completely full, it is usually converted into a park or a playground. For the next 20 years or so, no building is constructed on it. To deal with some of the useful components of the garbage, compost making areas are developed near the landfill. What is compost? Let us learn about it from the following activity. Useful garbage includes animal dung, dead plants, paper which can be recycled to get useful products. Now let us have a look at how the useful component is treated. What is compost, or we can say composting? Converting plant and animal waste including that from kitchen into manure is called as composting. Composting recycles organic household waste and manures into an extremely useful humus like soil and product called compost. Thank you, dear students.